Birds are doing something. Listen to them. Gotta shut this dog up next door. What is all that? Ted, shut up! She told me to tell it to shut up. I'll tell it listen. Ted! Shut up! Emma! They don't like the birds, whatever the birds are doing. Listen. Hope you can hear it. Emma! Some kind of a flock of birds in the trees. Don't know what they are. I hope you can hear it. Must be chickadees or something. They are everywhere. You could see in the trees, guys and gals, they're floating. Little tiny birds. Pissed off the dogs. I guess I settled the dogs down. They're everywhere in the trees. There they go. There they go. Cool. Tons of them. I was in a good spot, wasn't I? They're not up. There they go. There they go. Cool. Tons of them. All gone yet. They really pissed off the dogs. Emma! It's okay, Emma. That was cool as shit. First time for everything. White birds of some type. Hear the noises? They're still stragglers. That could be our grackles up there.